Here in Premiere Pro, I have a video clip of a sunset on my timeline. And the next thing I want to do is add some text. So you can go down to this new item button, create a graphic, or you can just press the text tool down here, press T on your keyboard to bring up your type tool, click in your composition or in your video, and then type. So I'm just going to type sunset, make it all caps. And I have chosen a font that is bold. I used Open Sans. I'm opening up and editing this over here in the Essential Graphics panel. And it's typically better when you have a big, bold font so that you can see the background image. So I'm just going to place this where I think I want the video to play through, so right above the horizon like so. And I also want to go down here on my timeline and extend this clip or the title graphic to the entire length of the video clip. That's, of course, if you want it to go that way. Now, we are going to use an effect for this. So if you go under your effects panel into your video effects, under keying, you have your track matte key, or you can just search for track and then find track matte key. Apply this to the video layer itself. So not the graphic, but the video layer itself. So in your effects controls panel, now we're going to make a change to this. So under track matte, you want to choose the matte, which is going to be video 2, which is the video track number 2. So if you had something on video track number 3, you would check video track number 3. So let's check video 2. So now you can see that it has the video showing through sunset. If I move sunset to track 3, it's not there anymore. So I'm going to have to go back to my video sunset layer and change from video 2 to video 3. And now you can see that the sunset layer is down there. Notice a couple things though. If I move the video of the sunset itself to track 2, that's totally fine because it's just pulling what's from track 3 to basically shine through to create a cutout out of. If I want to move this text up or down, you can choose the sunset text itself and you can move it around up here in the effects controls or over in your graphics panel, and this will actually move where the text shines through or where this stencil is on the video. So say we want more of this sky with the sun up here, but we want it to be centered. The next thing we would do is go back to the video layer itself and move the video layer down to be centered. All right, so don't go to the text layer itself thinking you're going to be able to move both the cutout and the video itself down. You got to kind of do both.